Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the ocean to uncover the secrets of one of its most formidable predators, the barracuda. You might think you know this fish from its toothy grin, but there's so much more to discover. So, grab your scuba gear as we explore 10 fascinating facts you should know about the barracuda. Let's start with a big one. Did you know there isn't just one type of barracuda? The term barracuda actually refers to an entire family of fish. Spheronidae. There are over 25 different species, each with its own unique characteristics and habitats. The most famous is the great barracuda, which can grow to be a truly impressive size. These different species can be found in tropical and subtropical oceans all around the world, from the Atlantic to the Pacific and the Indian Ocean. So, next time you see one, you might be looking at a Guinean barracuda, a yellowmouth, or even a sawtooth barracuda. Now, for fact number 2, their incredible speed. Barracudas are built for velocity. Their long, torpedo-shaped bodies are incredibly hydrodynamic, allowing them to slice through the water with minimal resistance. When they need to, they can unleash explosive bursts of speed, reaching up to 36 miles per hour, or nearly 60 kilometers per hour. This isn't sustained speed for long-distance travel, but rather a short, sharp sprint used for ambushing prey. They can go from a complete standstill to top speed in just a matter of seconds. It's this lightning-fast acceleration that makes them such effective hunters. Moving on to fact number 3, let's talk about that famous smile. A barracuda's mouth is a fearsome sight, and for good reason. It's packed with 2 rows of razor-sharp teeth. The outer row consists of small, needle-like teeth for gripping, while the inner row features larger, dagger-like fangs designed for slicing and tearing flesh. What's truly remarkable is that their teeth point backwards, making it nearly impossible for prey to escape once it's been caught in their jaws. This dental setup is so efficient that barracudas often don't need to chew. They can simply chop their prey into smaller, manageable pieces and swallow them whole. Fact number 4 might surprise you. Despite their intimidating appearance, barracudas are not typically aggressive towards humans. Most reported attacks are cases of mistaken identity. Barracudas are visual predators, and they are attracted to shiny, metallic objects that flash in the light. They can mistake things like jewelry, watches, or even the flash of a diving knife for the shimmering scales of their preferred prey, like jacks, grunts, or mullets. So, a good tip for divers and snorkelers is to leave the bling on the boat. Generally, if you leave them alone, they will leave you alone. They are more curious than aggressive. This brings us to fact number 5, their hunting strategy. Barracudas are masters of the ambush. They aren't marathon swimmers who chase their prey over long distances. Instead, they prefer to lie in wait, hovering motionless in the water, often near coral reefs, shipwrecks, or seagrass beds. Their silvery camouflaged bodies make them difficult to spot. When an unsuspecting fish swims by, the barracuda uses its incredible burst of speed to launch a surprise attack, striking before the prey even knows what's happening. It's a highly efficient, energy-conserving method of hunting that has made them incredibly successful predators. For fact number 6, let's look at their vision. A barracuda's eyesight is exceptionally keen, which is crucial for a visual hunter. They have large, forward-facing eyes that provide excellent binocular vision, allowing for precise depth perception when targeting prey. This sharp vision is why they are so easily drawn to reflective objects. They can spot a glint of light from a considerable distance, honing in on what they perceive to be a potential meal. Their reliance on sight also means they are primarily daytime hunters, becoming less active as the light fades. Next up, fact number 7, their social life. While many people picture barracudas as solitary hunters, their social behavior is actually quite complex and changes with age. Young barracudas are often highly social, forming large schools or shoals. This behavior offers protection from larger predators. As they grow older and larger, they tend to become more solitary, confident in their ability to hunt and defend themselves alone. Solidity. However, even large adult barracudas will sometimes gather in groups, known as batteries, especially during spawning season or in areas with an abundance of food. Fact number 8 concerns their diet and a potential danger. Barracudas are carnivores with a varied diet. They'll eat just about any fish they can catch. However, this can lead to a problem for humans. Barracudas, especially large ones living near reefs, can accumulate a toxin called ciguatsin in their bodies. This toxin is produced by a type of algae that grows on coral reefs. Small fish eat the algae, larger fish eat the small fish, and the barracuda, being at the top of the food chain, accumulates the toxin in its flesh. If a human eats a contaminated barracuda, they can get ciguatera fish poisoning, a serious illness. For this reason, in many parts of the world, eating large barracuda is not recommended. Let's move to fact number 9. Their lifespan and growth. Barracudas can live for a surprisingly long time. The great barracuda, for example, can live for up to 14 years in the wild. They grow rapidly in their first few years of life. Scientists can determine the age of a barracuda by examining its scales or otoliths, which are tiny ear bones, much like counting the rings of a tree. Their size can vary dramatically between species, from the smaller yellowmouth barracuda that might only be 1.5 feet long, to the massive great barracuda that can exceed 6 feet in length and weigh over 100 pounds. Finally, we arrive at our 10th and final fact, their place in the ecosystem. Barracudas are apex predators, which means they are at the top of their food chain. This gives them a vital role in maintaining the health and balance of marine ecosystems, particularly in coral reef environments. By preying on other fish, they help control populations, preventing any single species from becoming too dominant. They also tend to weed out the sick and weak individuals, which contributes to the overall health and genetic fitness of the prey populations. The presence of barracudas is often a sign of a vibrant and healthy reef system. So, there you have it, 10 fascinating facts about the sleek, speedy, and often misunderstood barracuda. From their diverse family and incredible speed, to their specialized teeth and crucial role in the ocean, they are truly remarkable creatures. They are much more than just a scary set of teeth. They are a perfectly evolved predator, essential to the health of our seas. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive. What fact did you find most interesting? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the incredible animals that share our planet, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. We'll see you in the next one.